especially good morning to my beloved father. Today, I want to tell you about someone very special in my life. He is my hero. He is my father. My father's name is Uba Inan Sigalinggi. He loves me very much and could teach me many things. My dad is sometimes strict, but I know he's strict because he loves me very much. My dad wants me to be strong, kind, and a good person. My dad always reminds me do your homework, and because of him, I learn to be responsible. My dad teaches me a lot. He teaches me when I make mistakes. He guides me when I make it wrong. My dad always spend time together. We play games, especially board games and digital games. When I play with him, I feel very happy. My dad never forgets